Hey, it's Josh from onlyvpns.net. It's secure, it's private, but can it do all the other things you need a VPN to do? And which package should you pick? I'm going to reveal everything you want to know about Protonvpn. You can read the full, comprehensive Protonvpn review, plus check out some super discounts. The link will be in the description. For more VPN updates and reviews, hit that subscribe button as well. Protonvpn is based in Switzerland, where privacy is highly respected. Proton Technologies, the company behind Protonvpn, also has an impressive track record in security. They are the makers of ProtonMail, a widely used encrypted email service. It makes sense that Protonvpn has been praised for its proactive content protection measures and tight privacy policy. However, these reports don't say much about streaming, torrenting, speeds and user experience. Is Protonvpn good? Does it perform well? The answer isn't clear. On top of that, Protonvpn has 4 different packages, which makes it complicated to figure out which plan suits your needs the best. So in this video, I'm going to do a full Protonvpn review. I will just overview Protonvpn features. I'll also do a live showcase of the app, so you can see how it looks, show you what the settings do, run speed tests and so on. I'm gonna start with a premium version. Now, if you want to see how it compares to the Protonvpn free version, I'll cover that at the end of this video. Protonvpn has a good reputation, a rapidly growing user base and an unusual pricing plan. Most top VPNs don't offer a free version. Is Protonvpn free? Well, this VPN actually offers 4 packages with increasing prices and benefits, including a free package. I'll go into more detail soon, but first I'm going to review the Proton Plus package. We just advertise as their best offer. Some of you are still wondering, is Protonvpn safe and private? Well, I've mentioned that Protonvpn is based in Switzerland, where privacy laws are rock solid. Switzerland is outside of the 14 ICE surveillance network and EU jurisdiction. Protonvpn privacy policy is straightforward. They keep no logs and don't track user activity. They only store the timestamp for your last session, and that's erased when you logged in again. To prove their security, Protonvpn was independently audited by security expert SecConsult. The results were outstanding. Only 11 minor vulnerabilities were detected across all apps, and practically, these are impossible to use for malicious purposes. Ready to give Protonvpn a try? Hit the I button to bag it right now. Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. Protonvpn most super tight security. It uses the AES 256-bit encryption cipher, which is the world's gold standard in cryptography techniques. There are a bunch of additional security features, and I'd like to show you how to use these in the Protonvpn app. If you open the app and sign in using your Protonvpn account details, you'll land on the home screen. If you open the hamburger menu icon, then go to Settings under Advanced, you'll see a kill switch. It sets the VPN to automatically cut off your internet connection if the VPN crashes. Here, you can also pick from 3 highly secure tunneling protocols and decide how the Auto Connect feature behaves. Back on the home screen, the Secure Core option lets you connect to highly private secure servers in Switzerland, Iceland and Sweden before connecting to the server of your choice. This is an extra layer of protection. Protonvpn also has built-in Tor support. You can route your traffic through a Tor network by connecting to a server that has Tor in the name. Finally, Protonvpn is totally leak-free. Now let's get down to the business and find out if Protonvpn packs a punch when it comes to everything else. Protonvpn has an average server fleet, although it is growing rapidly. When I ran speed tests, speeds were above average. However, it doesn't make it onto my top 10 fastest VPNs lists. It is still behind a bunch of other VPNs. Happily, there's a split tunneling feature back under Advanced Settings. This lets you decide which apps run via the VPN. Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. Many VPNs fail to unlock geo-restricted streaming platforms. On the Protonvpn server lists, there are specific servers in the US and UK marked under the letter P for unblocking Netflix. I tried streaming Netflix via these servers. Although loading time took a little longer than usual, I unblocked the US and UK libraries and streamed seamlessly in Ultra HD. Protonvpn also unlocks other popular streaming platforms. However, the Much servers are only available on the Plus and Visionary desktop apps. The mobile apps don't have them at all. Happily, ProtonVPN does support torrenting. The tight security makes it a great tool for P2P sharing. Torrenting is only allowed on specific servers in Europe and Asia though. If you live on another continent, torrenting speeds are too slow to be practical. VPNs are complex, so it's important that the apps are straightforward to use. The ProtonVPN apps are streamlined and uncluttered. There are helpful explanations everywhere and lots of icons to explain things even further. At the same time, there's a variety of options that will satisfy advanced users as well. ProtonVPN supports all major platforms. There are no smart TV apps though, which are becoming increasingly popular. The mobile apps are pared back but contains most of the functions you'd hope to find on a mobile VPN. Unfortunately, ProtonVPN is a hit or miss option in this category. The jury is still out on whether it can bypass Chinese censorship in 2020. The ProtonVPN website claims it can, but many review sites claim it didn't work when they tried it. The website does contain an in-depth guide to using ProtonVPN for bypassing censorship, and I'm pretty sure that as they are constantly working at advancing their features, fixing this it's on the cards. Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. Most VPNs offer a live 24/7 chat support. Surprisingly, even the paid version of ProtonVPN has no live support. Luckily, the self-help material on their website is well written and covers the essentials. You can also fill out a ticket to receive support for specifics. Their Reddit support thread is great. Most posters get valuable assistance within 24 hours. This VPN's a lot of options for when and how you pay. There's also a handy ProtonVPN free trial. However, the Plus package, the one I've just reviewed, is more expensive than I'd expect. There are other incredibly secure VPN that perform better and costs way less. The difference between the ProtonVPN packages ties into the pricing, and many people wonder, is ProtonVPN safe when it comes to the free version? Well guys, the ProtonVPN free package is my absolute favorite free VPN because the built-in security and privacy basics are very strong. In other ways, it's really limited though. You can only access servers in 3 countries, use it on one device, and speeds are mediocre. You may like the basic package, if you don't want any extra features. Speeds are higher than that of the free version, and you have access to the full server list and you can torrent, but you can still only use it on 2 devices and don't get any extra features. Guys, there are other top VPNs at this price point which are offering a lot more. With a Plus package, you get all the basic package perks plus 3 more devices and a full range of features. This is a decent VPN, but it's expensive. The Visionary package is the same as the Plus package except you get to use 10 devices and a Proton mail is included. So guys, ProtonVPN is a quality VPN. It did well in nearly all of our categories. It shines when it comes to privacy and security as well. However, it just isn't up to the mark of the world's top VPNs right now in most areas. Hit pause right now and take a quick look at the list to help you figure out if ProtonVPN is the right pick for you. If you want to find out more about this popular VPN, you can check out the full, comprehensive ProtonVPN review and some juicer discounts right here. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more VPN reviews.